Hey, this is Scott. In today's video, I will be talking about email responders and the general function of how they work. I will break down each one to give you a good idea of which one may be a good fit for the kind of work you want to do. So on with the show. Do you want to grow your business and increase online engagement? If so, you need the right tools to help you succeed. ConvertKit, Unbounce, GetAResponse, and Leadpages are 4 leading marketing and automation tools to help you stay ahead of the competition. ConvertKit is a powerful email marketing tool that enables you to segment your audience for more targeted communications. It also has an intuitive drag and drop builder to create stunning emails with ease. Unbounce is a powerful landing page creation tool that helps you create high-converting landing pages quickly and easily. It also helps A/B test your pages and track performance to optimize your campaigns. GetResponse is a powerful email marketing tool that helps you send personalized, targeted emails to your leads. It also has an intuitive drag and drop builder to create stunning emails with ease. Leadpages is a powerful landing page creation tool that helps you create high-converting landing pages quickly and easily. It also enables you to test your pages and track performance to optimize your campaigns. These 4 tools can help you take your online presence to the next level. Here are 3 more popular platforms. Aweber versus MailChimp versus MailerLite. Are you in the market for an email marketing service, but don't know which one to choose? Aweber, MailChimp, and MailerLite are the most popular options. Let's take a look at how they stack up against each other. Aweber is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, offering a range of tools and features to create, send, and track email campaigns. It offers a wide range of customizable templates and is easy to use, even for beginners. The pricing plans are affordable and flexible, allowing you to scale up or down as needed. MailChimp is another popular email marketing service, offering a variety of features such as automation and segmentation. The drag and drop editor makes it easy to create professional-looking emails, and the pricing plans are affordable and flexible. MailerLite is an excellent choice for those who want a simple and easy-to-use email marketing service. It offers a range of features including automation and segmentation, as well as a wide selection of customizable templates. The pricing plans are affordable and flexible, allowing you to scale up or down as needed. ConvertKit. The upside to ConvertKit is that it's easy to use, even for those with limited technical knowledge. It also has a wide variety of features, including powerful automation and tagging capabilities, which make it easy to segment and target specific audiences. Additionally, it's very affordable, so it's a great option for those on a budget. The downside to ConvertKit is that it doesn't have as many integrations as some other email marketing platforms. Additionally, it doesn't have a drag and drop editor, so you can't customize your emails as much as you would with other platforms. Unbounce. The upside to Unbounce is that it allows you to quickly create and publish high-converting landing pages with minimal technical knowledge. It also provides an intuitive drag and drop editor, A/B testing, and a wide range of integrations with other platforms. The downside to Unbounce is that its features can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and it's not the cheapest option on the market. Additionally, it doesn't provide a built-in analytics dashboard, so you need to use another tool to get insights into your campaigns. Leadpages. Upside. Leadpages is an easy-to-use, drag-and-drop website builder that allows users to quickly create high-converting landing pages, opt-in forms, and other web pages with minimal effort. It comes with a library of pre-designed templates and provides users with powerful analytics tools to track website performance. It is also very affordable, making it a great choice for startups and small businesses. Downside. Leadpages does not offer a full website builder, so if you need more complex features, you may need to look at other options. It also has limited customization options for its templates, so this may not be the best choice if you want a unique design. Additionally, some users may find the interface to be slightly unintuitive and difficult to use. GetResponse. The upside of using GetResponse is that it is an incredibly powerful and user-friendly email marketing platform. It allows users to easily create automated campaigns, segment their audience, and track user engagement. GetResponse. Additionally, it has a great range of features such as A/B testing and integration with various third-party services. The downside of GetResponse is that it can be expensive for larger organizations. Additionally, it does not offer the same granular level of segmentation and analytics as some of its competitors, though it does offer a wide range of features. Finally, customer service can be slow to respond at times. Upside. Aweber is an email marketing platform that is easy to use, with a large selection of templates and customizable Aweber features. It also offers a high delivery rate and provides comprehensive analytics. Downside. Aweber does not offer as many features as some of its competitors, and its pricing structure can be relatively expensive. Additionally, its customer service can be slow to respond. MailChimp. The upside to MailChimp is that it is one of the most user-friendly and feature-rich email marketing solutions available. It offers various features like automated campaigns, segmentation, analytics, and integrations with other services. Additionally, it is free for up to 2,000 contacts, which makes it an ideal choice for small businesses. The downside to MailChimp is that it can be quite expensive for larger businesses that have more than 2,000 contacts. Additionally, it lacks some features that more advanced users may find necessary, such as A/B testing and dynamic content. This is the breakdown of the email autoresponders. I hope this helped and that you gained value with this video. See you in the next video.